Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang Premium GT Convertible in triple yellow tri-coat on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk here on the Mustang, as you can see. This one's got the premium audio, so it's got the subwoofer here on the trunk. We've got a nice Mustang plate frame here, and we've got the side covers for the convertible top. And just have a look in the frames on this one. What a beauty. What a clean car. And let's close this up. Have a look at the back. So it's got the nice black deck spoiler here. We've got the black pack, so the black GT on the back there. We've got the reverse camera here in the trunk lid. And we've got Roush Exhaust on this. So it's got dual Roush Exhaust tips here. So it sounds great. And we'll just swing around the side here. So here's your rear wheel. So no curb rash, and we've got nice yellow caliper covers on there with the black wheels and the nice Pirelli tires. So it looks great. So at the passenger side here, we've got the leather insert on the door panel with the yellow baseball stitching that goes along. We've got our power locks, our power power windows, chrome door handle, and we've got the brushed aluminum finished handle down here. So it looks great. We've got the illuminated Mustang kick plate down here, and we've got the yellow baseball stitching on the seats as well. So just have a look at the condition of the seat. Looks fabulous. And let's pull this forward and have a look in the back. So here's the back seat, and as you can see, it's in really good shape. And we also have the light bar here up top that's been installed, so that's great. And we'll close that up. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So we've got the original window sticker here, we've got the wheel locks here, and up top we've got the books. So that's all there for you. On the dash we've got the Mustang logo since 1964. And have a look at the condition of the dash with the yellow baseball stitching as well. What a really cool feature to have on this car. It looks great. You've got the brushed aluminum finish on the dash as well. So we'll just hop out, close this side up. And note in the mirror, we've got the blind spot warning indicator as well. And I'll just back up and we'll scan down this side of the car. So just have a look. Looks good. No dings, no dents. Looks good. And we've got the black pack emblem there as well. So here's your front wheel. So it looks good. No curb rash, no issues, nice Pirelli tires. And again, very cool Mustang yellow caliper covers on there as well. So here we are under the hood. So there's your Roush cold air intake that's been installed. Here's your Mustang GT strut tower brace, and have a look, nice and clean. Looks great. So that's the 5-liter V8 435 horsepower engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. So lots of fun for you. And we'll just close this guy up. And let's have a look at the hood. So it looks nice on the front. It's got the nice black accents on the hood louvers there, and we've got the black grille with the black pony as well. You've got your fog lights down below, and you've got your projector HID headlights with LED daytime running lights up there as well. And in terms of issues, that actually just comes right off, that little spot. It was a bug. So I don't see anything. There's no stone chips that I can see on this guy. So very clean car. And we'll slide over. Here's your front wheel. Again, no curb rash, no issues. And the yellow caliper covers with the black wheels and the Pirelli tires. Looks great. And same thing back here. And have a look at the fuel door cover. So it's got the Mustang, the yellow pony on it. Opens and closes. Perfect. And here we are at the driver's side. So again, that nice yellow baseball stitching on the leather insert, your power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and we've got 3 user memory seating as well. Here's your kick plate. It's in nice shape, as you can see. And here's your driver's seat. So there's your power fore, aft, up, down, and power lumbar with a manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. nice rumble to it. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 26,682 kilometers, so nice and low. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. You've got automatic headlights over here, fog lights. So if we put the headlights on, fog lights on, we've got our cruise control down here. We've got our buttons here that will control the dash. So all the different options there. Let's go settings, my color, gauge color. Let's see. So there's a bunch of different colors that you can set it to. Let's go white. Very cool. So you can change that up. And then on this side we've got volume controls, we've got mute, we've got voice controls, we've got Bluetooth controls, and we've got our wiper control up here. We've got our paddle shifters in the back there, and we'll slide over here. So we've got audio. Here's your audio sources, AM, FM, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth streaming on this guy. If we go to climate, we've got dual zone climate control. So that's there. We've got phone, we've got nav. So there's factory navigation, and if I put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera, apps, settings, and then down below we've got our volume control here, tune control, power, and some track change and eject, and then you've got heated and cooled seats. So and then same thing for the passenger there, and then some other quick buttons, so you can slide that to change the temperature, right? Turn it up or down. Mode select over here. So this one here, if I hit that, we've got normal, sport plus, track, and snow wet. The one to the left of that is steering, so normal, sport, or comfort. The one beside that is traction control on or off. And then we've got 4 ways as well. And then the push button start there is this guy right here. Down below you've got USB, and you've got 12-volt socket. And then there's your 6-speed automatic transmission shifter with leather wrapped boot with the yellow baseball stitching. Your cup holder has the chrome surround with LED lights inside. Here's your center console. We've got 12-volt socket and USB. And let's go ahead and put the top up so I can show you the operation. There we go. Great. And we'll put the windows up. And let's hop out with it running and have a listen. Nice rumble to it. Love the Roush exhaust. And here it is from the front. There it is with the projector headlights on and the fog lights on, and we'll just scan down this side for you. No dings, no dents, looks good. And here it is from the back. Nice rumble to it. LED tail lights look great. There you have it, folks. 2017 Ford Mustang GT convertible here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.